Welcome back to Vyapti Curious Minds. What if I told you that one of the most nutritious foods in the world has been growing in Indian fields for thousands of years? It's affordable, easy to grow, packed with nutrients, and recommended by nutrition experts worldwide. Yet, many people overlook it. This incredible grain is called ragi, also known as finger millet. Today, we'll explore why ragi is often called a superfood, its amazing health benefits, its history, and how you can include it in your daily diet. Let's dive in. What is ragi? Ragi is a cereal grain that belongs to the millet family. It has been cultivated for thousands of years in Africa and India. Unlike polished rice and refined wheat, ragi remains rich in nutrients because it is usually consumed as a whole grain. Its tiny reddish brown seeds may look simple, but they contain an impressive nutritional package. Today, ragi is gaining popularity worldwide as people search for healthier and more sustainable foods. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Let's look at what makes ragi special. Ragi contains calcium, iron, dietary fiber, protein, magnesium, potassium, antioxidants, essential amino acids. What makes ragi truly unique is its calcium content. Among commonly consumed grains, ragi contains one of the highest amounts of natural calcium. This makes it particularly valuable for children, growing teenagers, pregnant women, and older adults. It is also naturally gluten free, making it suitable for many people who avoid gluten. The benefits are stronger bones. Calcium is essential for healthy bones and teeth. Ragi contains significantly more calcium than many other grains. Regular consumption can help support bone development in children and maintain bone strength as people age. Combined with vitamin D and exercise, ragi can be part of a bone friendly diet and it helps manage blood sugar. One reason nutritionists recommend ragi is its high fiber content. Fiber slows digestion and helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar. This can help people maintain more stable energy levels throughout the day. Because of its lower glycemic impact compared to many refined foods, ragi is often included in balanced diets aimed at blood sugar management. It supports weight management. Feeling hungry all the time? Ragi may help. The fiber in ragi promotes satiety, meaning you feel full for longer. When you stay satisfied after meals, you're less likely to snack excessively. This makes ragi a popular ingredient in healthy breakfast foods and weight management diets. It is good for digestion. Modern diets are often low in fiber. Ragi naturally contains dietary fiber that supports healthy digestion. Fiber helps food move efficiently through the digestive system and contributes to overall gut health. A healthy digestive system plays a major role in overall well being. It's a natural source of iron. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, which carries oxygen throughout the body. Ragi contains iron and can contribute to meet daily nutritional needs when included as part of a balanced diet. Traditional preparation methods like sprouting may also improve nutrient availability. It's a heart health supporter. Ragi contains fiber, magnesium, and plant compounds that support cardiovascular health. Healthy eating patterns that include whole grains are often associated with better heart health. Replacing highly refined foods with nutrient dense whole grains like ragi can be a smart dietary choice. It is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Ragi contains beneficial plant compounds including polyphenols. These compounds contribute to the grain's reputation as a health supporting food. Energy for active lifestyles. Athletes and physical active Individuals need sustained energy. Unlike sugary snacks that provide a quick energy spike followed by a crash, whole grains release energy gradually. This makes ragi a valuable addition to meals before or after physical activity. Why our ancestors valued ragi? Long before nutrition labels existed, traditional communities recognized the value of ragi. Farmers, laborers, and warriors consumed ragi because it provided lasting energy and nourishment. In many regions of India, ragi has been a staple food for generations. Modern science is now confirming many of the benefits people observed centuries ago. Ragi versus modern processed foods. Many processed foods are high in sugar and low in nutrients. Ragi offers a different approach: more fiber, more minerals, whole grain nutrition, sustained energy, less processing. This is one reason health experts encourage people to include more whole foods in their diets. How to eat ragi? There are countless delicious ways to enjoy ragi: ragi porridge, ragi dosa, ragi roti, ragi muffins, ragi cookies, ragi malt, ragi mudde, sprouted ragi dishes. The versatility of ragi makes it easy to include in daily meals. Ragi and sustainability. Ragi isn't just good for people, it's also good for the planet. Compared to many crops, ragi can grow in challenging conditions and requires relatively fewer resources. As climate challenges increase worldwide, resilient crops like ragi may play an important role in future food security. Tiny grain, massive benefits. Ragi has nourished generations for thousands of years and continues to impress modern nutrition experts. From stronger bones and better digestion to sustained energy and overall wellness, ragi truly deserves its reputation as a superfood. The next time you see this humble millet, remember, sometimes the most powerful foods aren't the newest discoveries, they are the ancient treasures we have had all along. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves healthy living. See you in the next episode of Vyapti Curious Minds.